Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Father's Day is just around the corner. This year, let us show the good fathers that we appreciate all that they do. Here are 5 Father's Day ideas that cost little to nothing to show dads that they are special. Why not wake him up to a personalized card? A personalized card can be very touching. Include pictures of moments you share together and a heartfelt message. You can include a gift card from his favorite restaurant or store to top this off. Do you have a gamer dad? How about a games day? You can play as opponents or as a team. Throw in some pizzas or beer or whatever he likes. Movies are also a good idea. Here are a few great movie choices. Pamper Dad. Give him an at-home spa treatment. This should include a manicure, a pedicure, and a massage. Use fragrances, scented oils, candles, white towels, white robes to create the ambience. Make that dinner or have a backyard brunch. This should include his favorites that are not prepared on the regular. Did I say 5? Here's an extra. Fishing is a relaxing and fun activity, great for bonding as well. The fish you catch can be prepared for dinner. This he will not forget. Not every father will enjoy every activity. Choose an activity in keeping with your dad's preferences and personality. Have fun!